Hello friends, this is Shivshankar Chunchali and you are watching Money Shopping. I welcome you all to my channel. So last content about the financial freedom in the Independence Day. So there we have spoken about what is financial freedom and what are the types of investment we are doing. So now I'm going to create an episode uh, of series like 4 5 contents I'll be creating. I have listed out uh, the types of investment against there are expectation for the investments. So like whoever does, I do or you do or somebody does the investment, any type of investment, there will be some expectation from that investment. So any type you take some expectations, like return is the best expectation, what return I get it, but at the same time people will think of what is the risk level in that. That is also expectation, right? So same way how that type investment type the return beats the inflation after 5 years or 6 years, whatever we get the return. So same way I have categorized some seven expectations, standard expectations. So those things in the next content I'll be explaining each category of investment. Like if you take a category FD, RD, and PFF comes in a similar way. And if you take mutual fund and insurance, a little bit comparable. And there will be gold, silver, and real estate. There will be a little more same category. And if you say trading, long-term investment, it comes in the stock market. My strategy of investment. So these all investment types, I am comparing with the what is the expectations of the investments. So I'll be comparing and I'll telling which is the best or which is not best. There are some risk, there's not risk. So likewise, I'll be uploading all content. You just watch out all the content to understand more and to understand at the end what I'm showing you the strategy is the best for against all the expectations. Don't miss out any content. Now I'll be explaining expectation versus all the investment types. Okay, as you're seeing here my Excel sheet where I listed all the expectation from investment and the normal investment methods. So there's a comparison here. I have color graded based on the expectation how it is reaching. So here I have listed seven categories like so these are the expectation almost all the investors or smart winners plus they expect these things. So versus whatever the do the investments like FD, RD, PPF, insurance, whatever the type of investment you are doing. So there are some are good versus these expectations. Some are okay, some are not good. But a very good investor or every investors expect the complete a package of all the expectations reaching versus whatever they want to invest. Here is the investment where I created my investment which is reaching all the expectations. Like if you see last one, my own strategy of financial freedom investment method, that is I call it stocks of Amazon forest. So here the risk level is zero and return is high and inflation is beating and lump sum amount is not at all required, and completely there is a partial withdraw anytime you want to take some amount you can take it, and there is a regular benefit, and also there is a infinite growth in this strategy. Want you to request, just don't fall for any outdated methods, investment methods, to keep your money safe. For the sake of just safe, you should always invest to create a wealth smartly. And if you want to learn this how to do this, please click the subscribe button and like and share this content. And also you type which method you are doing and what are the expectations you are expecting. Type in the comment. I'll reply to that, what is my take in that, so we can discuss in the comments also. Thank you for watching.